Hello Rushmere and welcome to Mr Neary's challenge of the day. Now today's challenge, you will see it's a game and it's called, and don't be scared of this sentence, and that is it's called cleaning the bedroom. Now of course when mum or dad tell you that you must go and clean your bedroom, it's not the most exciting news, but it must be done. However, this is a game and it is called cleaning the bedroom. It's not actually cleaning your bedroom. Now you will see behind me, hopefully you can see, I know that it's a bit small, I've tried to use different colours so you can see some easier than others. We've got 4 different areas. We've got a red area, a blue area, a green area and a purple area. And then we've also got lots of items over here. Okay, so the things that you'll need for today's challenge will be 4 different items, but you have to have 4 of each, which means you might need 4 pairs of socks, 4 trainers, 4 cushions. You know, think of things that are soft, that are small, 4 tennis balls, whatever it may be, and then it means that we're going to be sorting those items in this challenge, and you're only going to have a certain amount of time to do so. So the objective here is, you might be able to see very faintly at the top here, we've got a red area, and you'll also see that we've got the red markers over here. When your timer has been started, so it means you're going to need to either use your phone or a stopwatch, anything that you've got, then it means that you've got to run out, you've got to collect one of the red items, so it means that for that area that might be, I don't know, shoes, you've got to run out, collect one shoe, put that shoe back, come back out, collect another shoe, put that shoe back. Once you've run out of shoes, and again, if you don't have 4, don't panic. If you've only got 2 or 3, it's not an issue. If you want to do more, just to really tire them out, then you can. Then it means that once you've completed the shoe pile, then it means you might want to move on to the cushion pile. So now you move on to the blue area. So you run out and you collect that cushion, put it back, that cushion, put it back. Then once you've completed the cushions, you can move on to the green area, which the green area might be tennis balls, and you'll run out, so you'll collect 1 tennis ball, put it back, 1 tennis ball, put it back. Now that's the simplest way to do it. Once all of the items here have been collected and they're in the pile, the second they're put down here, press stop. Now of course you can be challenging your children by trying to take part in this yourselves, or if they've got brothers or sisters, have a real challenge to see who's the quickest at doing this and sorting all of the items. The other way of doing it is the fact that you don't have to do it in order at all. You can keep an idea as to which area these items belong to, and then it means you can run out and collect a shoe and put it in the shoe pile, run out, collect a tennis ball, put that in the pile, run out to collect a toilet roll if you've got a toilet roll pile, and therefore it means that you don't have to do them in any specific order. But the first person to complete this in the quickest time will be the winner. So once they're all in the piles, obviously take them out, put them back, and then have 2 or 3 goes, okay? And again, invite brothers and sisters or any family member or household member to take part in this and see who is the quickest. The distance between the items and the area doesn't really matter. The further away it is, the harder it is. The closer it is, the easier it is. So it's entirely up to you. If you don't have enough space to create this gap, don't worry. Put the boxes or the areas in the middle, okay, and then just spread them around the room as you go, okay, and make sure they're just evenly spread. Doesn't mean you've got to run backwards and forwards. It means we're still practicing lots of movement, turning, agility, balance, just by trying to move and create as much space for us as possible. So, good luck, enjoy the activity, and I look forward to seeing you soon.